July 16th. It's about 96 degrees out right now. And every year I get a request from somebody to do a video on the apartment air conditioners running. So I figured I'd do that here. Perfect day for it. We have them all running. So the one in my parents' room, 8,000 BTU Chill Series piece of junk. I have to clean the filter. That's not helping. I think it's a 2018 model. I'd have to take off the cover to find the serial number, but it's running right now. It's cool in here. Put this up on high because it's so hot today. This one here has a 6,000 BTU from, I think, the same year. We originally had 2012 models in here, and they died, and we just swapped new units into the old sleeves. So that's pretty much that. Yeah, the main problem I noticed with these Chill Series units is the evaporator coils tend to rattle when they get older, and so this one does that sometimes. It's not doing it right now, but do a shot of the compressor if I can. Not as beefy sounding as the 8,000, obviously, because it's a smaller unit, less refrigerant. So that's running. Works fine. I don't think I have to clean the filter on this. Yeah. This one doesn't get used that much. When I'm home, I turn it on because I want the whole place cool. So. Oh yeah, and the Philco. I'm gonna turn this one back on, so I get to hear it start up. Yeah, we'll do an outside shot this time. This is the best air conditioner we have in this apartment. Why? Because it's old. It works as the best. AJ compressor, it's a 9,000 BTU at 12 amps. With an inverter, you can get 3 tons of cooling out of 12 amps, but I do not care. Works perfectly fine. I just took it out this year to clean it and stuff, so. Quiet. All right, and then this freaking thing here. This whole unit is basically a VFD in the sense that both the fan and the compressor ramp up and down at a variable frequency, including hertz. So. I think it's dripping a lot. Can you see it? Probably. I think the back logo already faded. People ask me how I stick my phone out and not drop it. It's not that hard. Yeah, I tell you what, for R32, which I'm not a fan of, this thing does blow almost as cold as my Philco. Alright, so air conditioner's running in the apartment, and take care.